Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen after making a half around $3.59, there is a continuous downfall. As you can see looking at this particular chart, okay, after $3.59 there it had made a low of around $3.2759. This is the low. Okay, now it's trying to go upside. As I've already suggested you that the profit booking came at this particular level because it has moved a breakout zone. This has given a breakout zone at this level, and chances are high that it is trying to make again a pattern, and if it keeps sustaining above $3.4, a further upside we can see in the price of natural gas. Okay, but if it moves again below a level of $3.284, then a further downfall we can see. Okay, so probability of going further fall we can see. Okay, and then the zone, you have to remember that this is the zone, $3 and $2. So if it I have already explained that if the price move above $3, a further upside movement we can see, and it has touched the level of 3.5886. After that there is a fall. Okay, and this two level we have not seen, and if the price started falling below 2.7, then only we can a probability of touching $2 we can see, otherwise we can't see now as of now. Second thing is that as soon as started sustaining above 3.7, this gap can be filled at a level of 4.1. There is a higher chances, and then a further upside. The third thing is that there is a pattern forming. After pandemic, what the pattern says that whenever it is hitting its new high, we have seen a fall has come. Okay, and what this fall says that whenever it is hitting new high, people were thinking and booking profit at this level. As soon as it moves down again, they buy and make a second high, and then profit booking comes. This is being repeated for 5 times. Sixth time it would have repeated, but the war situation has come between Ukraine and Russia, and that is where it moves down. Until now we have not seen an upside. Okay, now after crossing this level, we have seen that this level, as the Israel war has started, we have seen there is a continuous upside. Okay, but it has given a breakout also, and after moving upside we have seen there is a continuous downfall. After that is a profit booking has come. So before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can go in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I've given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, now suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it can go towards a level of $3.4200. Okay, and if the price move above that particular level, chances are high it will go towards a level of $3.4516. Okay, and if the price move above that particular level, chances of touching a level of 3.4999 will be there. Okay, as soon as it moves above that level, a further high we can see towards $3.57. This $3.57 is already being tested here, so chances are high it will cross a level of 3.5850, which is already being a weak resistance. So chances are high it will cross that level and can touch a level of 3.7002. Okay, so once the price sustain of 3.7, we can see it will cross a level of 3.7520 and to a level of 3.9. After 3.7 540, we can see a level of 3.9, and then there is a higher chances this gap can be filled. Okay, now as I've already explained you that you have to remember that market is uncertain, so always try to set your SL. That will save your capital. Always try to trail your SL. This will save your profit. These two things you have to do. Okay, now these two things if you are doing, then one thing that you have to understand, if you are trailing your SL, your profit will be saved. If you are trailing your SL, if you are trailing your SL, your profit will be saved. If you are putting your SL, your capital will be saved. These two things you have to understand. Suppose if the price didn't sustain, what we can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain, come down again towards a level of $3.3189, and from there we can see it can touch a level of $3.275. Okay, once the price started falling below that level, a further downfall we can see, and then a probability of going towards a level of around 3.0668 is there. Okay, after a level of 3.275, once it moved below that level, a further downfall we can see, and then to a level of $3.0503 to a level of 2.9415. Okay, once the price started falling below that level, a further downfall we can see towards $2.9435, and from there a further downfall we can see towards $2.7845. Again I repeat, suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, chances are high it will go towards a level of $3.304 to a level of 3.275, and once it move below that level, I have probability of touching 3.0820 to a level of 3.0503. As soon as started falling below that level, a further downfall we can see towards a level of 3. Okay, so once it goes below that level to a level of 2.9415, and from there a further downfall we can see towards 2.8029. Okay, and once it started falling below that level, we can see a level of 2.7, and then from there to a level of 2.5. 2.7 to a level of 2.5. These are supports you have to understand, because you might think they are small. No, but when your quantity is huge, it makes a lot of difference. Okay, so understand that. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.